Hey y'all, welcome back to Roll and Pin Recipes. Today we are going to make a rolled up chocolate cake, Swiss roll cake. I didn't take my eggs out too long ago, but I'm going to separate them out. I'm going to whip up my whites in here. 4 eggs. Uh-oh. No! Okay, not good. Let's see if I can get these out. It'll be harder to mix up your egg whites if you have egg yolks in there. Okay, hopefully that'll work. Shoot. Keep it going. Those yolks are fragile sometimes, so you need to be careful. I personally don't like swapping them. I don't know, I struggle with separating them sometimes. Maybe it's just the eggs. Who knows? Whoa, that yolk's definitely gonna break. See, that one was kind of strong. Alright, we're gonna whip these up with a 1/4 cup of white sugar. It's quite a bit for the whole cake though, then no. Alright y'all, these peaks are stiff. These egg whites have stiff peaks. Check it out. Not really any movement. Perfect. Shiny. Beautiful. I'm going to transfer them to this smaller bowl. Get the yolks in here. Alright y'all, to these egg yolks we're going to add the rest of the sugar. 1/2 cup. I'm going to set that there. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. This isn't open. Oh wow. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. I like this recipe because it has simple ingredients that I have. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Alright y'all, we're going to whip this up. Alright y'all, we're going to add 1/2 cup of flour. Sift it in. That's a 1/4 and 1/2. 1/4 cup of cocoa. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift this in. We're going to beat this on low until just combined. Whoa. We're just going to get this together now. Got a lot of dry on the sides. Got my oven preheating to 350. We're going to combine the egg whites. We're going to put 1/3 of these in. Whoa. Alright. This cake batter is very thick, so I hope it's right. Yeah, this should be fine. It's lightening up. Continue adding. I don't know if I'll be able to use all this cake because he calls for a huge cooking tray, baking tray. I do not have a huge one, so I might have to do 2 cakes. Beautiful. Okay, this doesn't take long at all, just gotta whip it up. Fold this in. Fold it all together. Might have been a little easier with a bigger spatula. Looks beautiful. Alright y'all, might be able to hear the train coming. Alright, I think it needs to be semi-thin. I have sprayed the pan, put parchment, and sprayed the parchment. Okay, spread this out a little bit. Now we want this cake kind of thin, I believe, so let's stick with that. We'll add a hair more. It's more than a hair, but because I want it in those corners. This smells really good. Alright, we're gonna bake it for like 12 minutes at 350. Alright y'all, I think it's been in there 10 minutes. Instead of covering a towel in cocoa powder, I think I'm gonna do it on this silicone baking mat. One thing I hate about this thing is dog hair and stuff sticks to it, so that's awesome. Before I do this, I will check this cake. It's lighter in color than I thought. It's still like soft on the inside, so we'll do another couple minutes. And I am going to dust this sucker heavily in cocoa powder. Cocoa powder because it is chocolate. I'm a little nervous for the rolling part. Ooh, just comes rolling out. Okay, hopefully that's enough. And we're just going to plop it on. I think we're going to throw it on the same direction as this is going. Oh boy. All right, it's go time. Let's check it out. Springs back. Then I don't want to poke it because I don't want to interfere. All right, I think it's done. Moment of truth. Gotta move quick. Very nervous, but hey y'all, whatever happens, happens. It is what it is. Okay, we're gonna drop her down on there just like this. Very nervous. It's already kind of crackling. It smells really good. Also, I can't move with these big old things on. Oh, talk about a mess. That was kind of confident, kind of just chucking it. Now I need to grab this pan. Okay, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we need to roll it quickly. Okay. Not bad. Okay, it's pretty good. We need to roll it quickly, but I'm wondering if I should dust the top of this with cocoa powder. Okay. Okay, it doesn't say to dust it again, so we're gonna roll her up quick and tight. Okay. I don't know. I'm nervous. We're just gonna... Okay, we're just gonna roll it. That's it, y'all. Let's see if I can get her a little tighter. Nope, that's it. It's pretty good. Now we let her cool. It's in there. Gonna let it cool and we will frost it. In a couple hours we'll finish her up, and I need to finish this cake and clean this mess. All right, y'all, it has been a bit since I put this log and everything in the fridge. Here's the moment of truth to unroll her. Oh yeah, it's very stiff. I'm nervous, and this cocoa powder is everywhere. A little cracking. Uh-oh. What do I do? It wants to crack a little. Shoot. I think this is the end of it though. So I just carefully need to put some in there. I made chocolate mousse instead of a whipped cream or cream cheese frosting. Per my husband's request, this mousse is going to be on our channel. You could check it out. It's creamy, decadent, delicious. Hopefully this little log goes well. It's also going to be a little log, like I said, because we recently upgraded our oven and only have like RV size pans. We are living full time in our RV and love it. Travel and do fun things. And we love to cook while we're doing it. Trying to get it in this little crack. To make it easier, I'm gonna rotate it. We got a little wetness over here. Here we go. Kind of carefully lift it. This is definitely different than anything I've ever made. This little log. It's very cool. It's cool if executed properly. So you can also put a chocolate ganache on it. Oh boy. Alright y'all, let's roll it up. It also has a ton of cocoa powder on it. Oh boy. Got excess cream coming out. That's it, y'all. Super cute, very delicious. All right, let me get a tray for it. All right, y'all, I've got a white tray. Need to carefully transfer. Beautiful. This is so much cocoa powder. Like, I could save this and make something with it. I don't know how I would do that, but like, this is a lot. Let's see if I could pour it in. All right, I'm gonna clean up this mess real quick. All right, y'all, I do have a bit of a mess going on. This is our cute little log. I am quite impressed with it. It turned out better than I thought, which is awesome. I'm gonna get this bread knife wiped off. Been cooking up a storm today, y'all, so don't mind the dishes. It's better that the majority of them are done, right? How big should this be? I don't know. Shoot. Cute. If you've never made a Swiss roll or a log before, I encourage you to give it a try. It's a little daunting, but it came out, y'all. Look how beautiful. It's going to be absolutely delicious. We've tried the cake and the mousse separate. It's going to be great. We appreciate y'all for watching. If you enjoyed, give this video a like. Let us know what you think down below and subscribe for more. Bon appetit. We appreciate y'all a ton. Peace out, y'all. See you soon.